Hi students, good morning. Welcome to Tungal online classes. So today we will continue the topic application of integrals. So already 2 classes completed. Still some more few problems we will discuss on the topic. So question, find area of region bounded by the curve y square is equals to 9x x is equals to 2, x is equals to 4 and x axis in first quadrant. See question, find the area of region bounded by the curve y square is equals to 9x x comma 2, x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 4 and x axis in the first quadrant. So now first of all we have to know what is the given curve equation. So what is given curve equation here? Solution. So given curve. So what is given curve? Y square is equals to 9x. How it is in the form of the given curve? It is in the form of y square is equals to 4ax. So therefore it represents parabola equation. So diagram we have to drawn here. How that y square is equals to 4ax? It represents right parabola. So therefore this is y square is equals to 9x. So why? Because given curve, this one, it is in the form of y square is equals to 4ax. So y square is equals to 4ax represents right parabola with vertex at origin. X axis, this one x dash, y dash. Next what they given here? X is equals to 2. So what x is equals to 2 represents nothing but it represents a vertical line towards right to y axis. It represents a vertical line towards right to y axis at a distance of 2 units from origin. So here origin at a distance of 2 units right to y axis, draw one vertical line nothing but parallel to y axis. So therefore here I will draw here one vertical line. So this is equation, x is equals to 2. Next one more they given, x is equals to 4. So again x is equals to 4 represents vertical line which is at a distance of 4 units right to y axis. So right to y axis 4 units distance, again one vertical line if you drawn here. So this one x is equals to 4. Next what they given? With x axis. So the area bounded with x axis, and finally what they given here? First quadrant. So by observing that question, find the area of region bounded by given curve. Given curve nothing but parabola with these 2 lines, x is equals to 2, x is equals to 4 with x axis in first quadrant. So if first quadrant not mentioned means, let you think by observing that diagram, the area bounded with parabola with x-axis and the two lines, nothing but this is the part of the region we have to evaluate, but they given in first quadrant only, means that this part area no need to find out, just this first quadrant part only we have to find out. So therefore region, the first quadrant area should shade, so that is the required area we have to find out. So this one no need. If first quadrant not mentioned in the question, then we have to find out even this one area also. Why? Because this area also bounded with curve with x-axis between two limits or two lines, but they given in the question only in first quadrant only. That's why this area no need to evaluate, only this shaded part region only we have to find out. So now you can say here this shaded region bounded with one side curve equation between particular limits. What they given? X is equals to 2, x is equals to 4 with x-axis. Therefore we can write here, therefore required area. So required area, when area is bounded with x-axis, formula what is that? Nothing but y dx. Therefore required area we have to find out. Limits where to where we have to take? 2 to 4 we have to take. So formula is what is means y dx. So integral 2 to 4 y dx. So given curve equation here, what is means y square is equals to 9x. So y is equals to, what will get? Nothing but 3 into root x. Y is equals to 3 into root x. So therefore we'll get here integral 2 to 4. So y value 3 root x into dx. So constant right outside the integral will get 3 outside. So integral 2 to 4 root x into dx. So 3 into, so root x nothing but x power 1 by 2. So what is x power 1 by 2? Integral nothing but x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2, limits from 2 to 4. So now limits apply here, will get first upper limit substitute here, 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit substitute 2 power 3 by 2. So this 3 by 2 is constant, na? This one right outside that bracket it becomes 2 by 3. So therefore we'll get here 3 get cancelled, 2 remain here, bracket 4 power 3 by 2. See here 4 power 3 by 2, how to write? Nothing but 4 can be written as 2 square whole power 3 by 2. This 2 cancel, what will get? Nothing but 8 minus 2 power 3 by 2 can be written as 2 into root 2. So therefore final answer nothing but 16 minus 4 root 2. So this is the required area, 16 minus 4 root 2. Once again important for 3 marks question. So find the area of region bounded by the given curve x is equals to 2, x is equals to 4 with x-axis in first quadrant. So given curve represents a right parabola with the vertex at origin. So I drawn here one parabola equation. Next x is equals to 2, x is equals to 4, both represents vertical lines towards right to y-axis and then with x-axis and first quadrant. So just this first quadrant region only, that one only we have to evaluate. So therefore required area formula, what is the number? Y dx. So limits taken from 2 to 4, that y value from given curve equation, y value how much means 3 root x. So root x nothing but x power 1 by 2. X power n integral formula is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Therefore x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This 3 by 2 right outside that bracket means it becomes 2 by 3. Just limit apply for in the place of x, upper limit and lower limit will get like this. So final answer will get 16 minus 4 root 2. Understood? Next one more question. Find the area of region bounded by the curve x square is equals to 4y, y is equals to 2, y is equals to 4 with y axis in first quadrant. Right. Right. See, question meaning, find the area of region bounded by the curve x square is equals to 4y and two line equations given, y is equals to 2, y is equals to 4. Next given with y axis. So area bounded with y axis we have to find out, and they given in the first quadrant. So first of all, what that curve represents we have to know. That's why first solution we have to write given curve. So what is given curve? X square is equals to 4y. So x square is equals to 4y represents upward parabola equation. Therefore, so the given curve in the form of x square is equals to 4ay. In first year conic section, under that parabola concept we have. So x square is equals to 4ay represents upward parabola. So x square is equals to 4y. So given curve is in the form of x square is equals to 4y. So therefore given curve represents upward parabola with vertex at origin like that. So x square is equals to 4y. Next, what they given here, one more line equation, y is equals to 2. So y is equals to 2 represents horizontal line. In previous problem x is equals to 2. X is equals to 2 represents vertical line equation. Y is equals to 2 represents horizontal line equation. That horizontal line represents a horizontal line above x axis at a distance of 2 units. X is equals to, y is equals to 2 represents horizontal line. Horizontal line nothing but parallel to x axis. So that given equation represents a line parallel to x axis at a distance of 2 units above x axis. Therefore, I will draw here above x axis at a distance of 2 units like that. This is y is equals to 2. Next, one more given, y is equals to 4. Similarly, it represents a horizontal line above x axis at a distance of 4 units from origin. So therefore, it represents horizontal line y is equals to 4. Next, with y-axis in first quadrant. If first quadrant if not mentioned means this is the part we have to find out, this one as well as this one, but this is the part only under first quadrant will get, that's why this area only we have to find out. See, shaded the region here. So that area we have to find out. So no need to draw even the vertical stripes, horizontal stripes also, just the region if you shade also it is enough. In yesterday last two classes we drawn one horizontal stripe, vertical stripe like that. So if you drawn, no problem, else if that region if you shaded also, no problem, you will get the marks, no problem about that. So therefore this is the shaded region we have to find out. This region is bounded by one side curve equation with y-axis in between the limits y is equals to 2 and y is equals to 4. So already we know one area of region bounded with y-axis means formula is x dy. So therefore just we have to write down here required area. So required area we have to find out. So integral limits what we have to take there, nothing but 2 to 4. When area is bounded with y-axis, therefore formula is nothing but x dy. So integral 2 to 4 x dy. So from equation x square is equals to 9y implies x is equals to what will get, nothing but 2 root y. X is equals to 2 root y, therefore we'll get integral 2 to 4 x nothing but 2 root y into dy. So constant right outside the integral here, so 2 integral 2 to 4 root y, so root y nothing but y power 1 by 2 dy. So y power 1 by 2 integral is y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So limits taken from 2 to 4. So this 3 by 2 right outside the bracket, so means that we'll get 2 into 2 by 3. This 3 by 2 taken to numerator, it reciprocal they have to take, that's why it becomes 2 by 3. Now upper limit substitute in the place of y. Upper limit substituted will get 4 power 3 by 2 minus lower limit substituted will get 2 power 3 by 2. So therefore we'll get here 2 into 2 by 3 nothing but 4 by 3 bracket 4 power 3 by 2. In last problem we evaluated 4 power 3 by 2 how much, nothing but 8 minus 2 power 3 by 2 nothing but 2 root 2. So that is the required area 4 by 3 into 8 minus 2 root 2. If you want you can write one more step, simplify, else if you leave also no problem, you will get the full mark. So previous problem, this one, previous problem area bounded with x-axis, here in this problem area bounded with y-axis. So for each and every problem I am going to draw that figure. So by observing the figure only we'll get an idea whether here two parts we have to take or one part we have to take. Sometimes we multiplied with 2, multiplied with 4, that's why we'll get an idea about that. That's why if you draw figure then we'll get an idea. So here the particularly this part only we have to evaluate, particularly that area only we have to find out. Understood? Important one, 5 marks expected. Find area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, comma the line x is equals to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equals to 4. Important problem, 5 marks expected question. Question meaning: find the area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis or bounded by x-axis, whatever it may be. The line equation given x is equals to root 3y and circle equation given x square plus y square is equals to 4. So one by one, before going to draw the diagram, first given curve equations we have to know. Important problem. So solution. So given circle. So what is given circle equation? X square plus y square is equals to 4. So it represents a circle with a center at origin and radius is 2 units. So x square plus y square is equals to 4 represents circle equation with the center at origin and radius is 2 units. Equation 1. Next, one more given line. So what is given line? X is equals to root 3y. X is equals to root 3y implies y is equals to, what will get? Nothing but 1 by root 3 x. This root 3, that side if you taken, y is equals to 1 by root 3 x. So it is in the form of y is equals to mx. In first year straight line concept, we know equation of line passing through origin or straight line passing through origin having the equation y is equals to mx. So here y is equals to 1 by root 3 into x. So it is in the form of y is equals to mx, means that this line passing through origin. It represents circle with center at origin and radius is 2 units, and this line represents straight line passing through origin. So now draw diagram for that. So first one circle if you drawn here, with the center at origin, radius given how much means 2 units. So therefore what is this point? Nothing but 2, 0. This one 0, -2, -2, 0, 0, 2. So that is circle with the center at origin, radius is 2 units. Next, given it is in the form of y is equals to mx, therefore it represents straight line passing through origin. So remember the students, straight line passing through origin means this is straight line passing through origin, this is also straight line passing through origin. Among the two, which one we have to take? Understood my question? Like this. Here suppose this is straight line passing through origin, straight line passing through origin. So among the two, which one we have to consider? which one we have to consider means depends on m value. So m positive means the line passing through first quadrant and third quadrant. M value negative means the line passing through second quadrant and fourth quadrant. Once again, in y is equals to mx, m value positive means the line passing through first and third quadrants. M negative means the line passing through second and fourth quadrants. But here 1 by root 3 is positive, therefore it passing through this one. It passing through first and third quadrants. So this is equation y is equals to 1 by root 3 into x. Now read the question once again. Find the area of region in the first quadrant. So these 4 quadrants not needed. Find the area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis. Forgot these 3 parts now. Second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant you forgot. Only first quadrant only we have to keep in your mind. That area enclosed by x-axis. In first quadrant 2 parts are there. In first quadrant 2 parts are there. Which part is enclosed with x-axis? This one or this one? This one. Why? Because this part is enclosed with x-axis. This part is enclosed with y-axis. So this part is not required. Understood? So find the area of region in the first quadrant enclosed with x-axis. So this part is not needed, only this part we have to find out. X is equals to root 3y and the circle. So shade the required region. So this is the reason what I shaded. That is we have to find out. So here the area is bounded with one line and one curve. So curve nothing but circle, line nothing but straight line. So here the region, if you observe, means the shaded region is bounded within particular limits. One side, that is, what is this line equation? Y-axis equation is x is equals to 0. And here if you drawn one line equation or one line if you drawn here, so what is this line equation? Nothing but x is equals to 2. The shaded region is bounded in between particular limits x is equals to 0, x is equals to 2. But very important, we cannot take limits as direct from 0 to 2. In previous problems we took 2 to 4, 0 to a, but here we cannot take direct from 0 to 2. Why we cannot take direct from 0 to 2? Nothing but in between these two limits the line and curve is intersect. In between the two limits the line and circle or the line and curve, the two will be intersected. Where the two intersected? See here, between two limits one line and one curve intersected means we cannot take these are the limits. So we have to divide the region, required region we have to divide up to where the two intersected. See, so where the two intersected, again I am going to draw here one line. Once again, confused will get. So here this shaded region we have to find out. The shaded region is bounded with circle. See, bounded with circle, bounded with line, enclosed with x-axis in first quadrant. But here the limits, what are that? X is equals to 2, x is equals to 0. Between these two limits, the line and curve intersect. Whenever in between particular limits a line and curve intersect, we cannot take these are the lower limit and upper limit direct. So the reason we have to divide. How to divide means area bounded with line area, area bounded with curve, area bounded with line, area bounded with curve. Like that we have to divide. Means this one individually we have to find out, this one individually we have to find out. After then we have to club that. So total area will come. Understood? So in between particular limits, the two curves intersect means we cannot take these are the direct limits. So then how to find? Nothing but we should divide the area. One belongs to line, one belongs to curve. How to divide means where the line and curve intersect, there if you drawn one vertical line. Now see in the figure, this part is bounded with line, this part is bounded with curve. So this part and this part separate we have to evaluate, add the two, will get the required area. Understood? See, like this is there. Like this. So this is the part enclosed by the line. This is the part enclosed by the circle or curve. So direct we cannot find out. First this area we have to find out. After then this one we have to find out. Both areas we have to add, will get the required area. So therefore, first of all, we have to find out this line equation. How to get this line equation means where the line and the curve intersect. Where the line and curve intersect, that one we have to find out, means these two equations we have to solve. So here you write down solve 1 and 2. So what is first equation here? X square plus y square is equals to 4. And what is second line equation? Y is equals to 1 by root 3 x. This y value here if you replace will get x square plus y square, nothing but will get x square by 3 is equals to 4. LCM taken will get 3x square plus x square, nothing but 4x square by 3 is equals to 4. Both sides 4 cancel. X square is equals to will get 3. X is equals to will get plus or minus root 3. So plus or minus root 3, where generally in the figure line and curve intersect means here and here. Here the two intersect, here the two intersect. But this one only needed, this one not needed. So therefore what we have to take? Nothing but this is the line equation, x is equals to root 3. Understood? So therefore from 0 to root 3 limits observed. from 0 to root 3, this is the area bounded by the line. From root 3 to 2, this is the area bounded with the curve. So individually we have to find out the areas and finally we have to add the two. So we have to write down required area. First, write down the area bounded by the line. So bounded by the line means limits what we have to take means integral 0 to root 3. When area is enclosed with x-axis means formula is y dx plus area enclosed by the curve or circle. So limits what we have to take means root 3 to 2. Again same, area enclosed with x-axis given, formula is y dx. Now integral 0 to root 3. In 0 to root 3, area is enclosed by the line. So in line equation, y value how much? In line equation, y value how much means 1 by root 3 x into dx plus root 3 to 2. From root 3 to 2, this is the area bounded by the curve. So bounded by the curve nothing but what is curve equation here? X square plus y square is equals to 4. From this one, what is y value? Nothing but root over 4 minus x square dx. So evaluate this one, we'll get the required area. So therefore constant right outside 1 by root 3 x dx. Integral x dx nothing but formula is x square by 2, limits from 0 to root 3 plus it is in the form of integral root over a square minus x square. In integration we have the formula is 1, integral root over a square minus x square, formula is x by 2 root over a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sin inverse of x by a. So this is the formula. So given integral 2 square, 4 can be written as 2 square. So this is in the form of like this. So formula apply. So we'll get here x by 2 root over 4 minus x square plus a square by 2 nothing but 4 by 2 sin inverse of x by a nothing but x by 2, limits we have taken from root 3 to 2. Now 1 by this 2 right outside or 1 by root 3 only. Now upper limit substitute, root 3 square nothing but 3 by 2 minus lower limit is 0 by 2 nothing but 0 only plus here upper limit substitute 2 by 2 1, 4 minus 2 square 0 plus 4 by 2 sin inverse of 2 by 2 nothing but 1, sin inverse 1 nothing but pi by 2. This is upper limit minus lower limit we have to substitute. What is lower limit? Root 3. So root 3 by 2 into 4 minus root 3 square. Root 3 square nothing but 3. 4 minus 3 1, root 1 nothing but 1 plus 4 by 2 nothing but 2 sin inverse root 3 by 2. What is sin inverse root 3 by 2? Nothing but pi by 3. Now simplify. So this one 1 by root 3 into 3 by 2 So here root 3 times cancel. What will get? Nothing but root 3 by 2 plus this one 0. Here 2 cancel. What will get? Nothing but pi will get minus root 3 by 2 will get minus into plus minus what will get 2 pi by 3. So plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 cancel. What is remain? Pi minus 2 pi by 3. What is pi minus 2 pi by 3? Nothing but pi by 3. So this is the required area. Once again, important problem and somewhat confused also we have. So find the area of region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis and the line x is equals to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square is equals to 4. So circle equation, from that it has center at origin and radius is 2 units, and line equation given x is equals to root 3y. From here y is equals to what will get means 1 by root 3 into x. How it is? In the form of y is equals to mx. So this curve and line both if you drawn here, so it represents circle, center at origin, radius as 2 units, and that line represents straight line passing through origin. So I drawn here one straight line passing through origin, passing through first quadrant and third quadrant. Now they given here area in the first quadrant, therefore second, third, fourth quadrants you forgot that one, only first quadrant only you observe. In first quadrant also enclosed by x-axis. In first quadrant two parts are there. This part is enclosed with y-axis, this part is enclosed with x-axis. So this one not needed, only this part only we have to find out with the line, with the curve. So anyway this one is y-axis, it has the equation x is equals to 0 at a distance of 2 units radius. Now therefore this is the line x is equals to 2. Between x is equals to 2 and x is equals to 0, here the line and the curve both intersected. So we cannot take 0 to 2 as a direct. We cannot take 0 to 2 limits as a direct. So the area of region we have to divide. How to divide the area of region? Nothing but one area bounded with line, one area bounded with the curve. The two separately individually we have to find out. So therefore here I drawn here one line where the line and curve intersected. Where intersected? Nothing but at x is equals to root 3. So therefore separated from 0 to root 3. This is 0 to root 3. This area is bounded by the line. From root 3 to 2, this one area bounded by the curve. So separate if you find, see here, from 0 to root 3, line equation y value is 1 by root 3 into x. From root 3 to 2, from curve equation y value is root 4 minus x square. So use this formula here, limits apply. Finally what will get answer? Nothing but pi by 3. So units no need to mention in here. So just if you leave also will get. So diagram carries the mark. 5 marks question, right? It carries the mark. So once you practice today this problem, especially the last two problems known, if you practice or not also you will get by just looking that problem solution. But this problem once you go through that one, so anyway you have this one loaded class will be there in your mobile. Again once you observe, so what is the question meaning, how that star drawn the diagram, which part we have to find out, why he divided the total area into two parts, how that two parts separate we have to find out, which formula here applied, so how to evaluate. So once you go through the problem and solve individually your own without observing that one, so you will get an idea about that. Understood? So tomorrow I will continue that remaining we'll continue the class. So today I am going to stop. So thank you students.